Hello free coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, this is the good news video for all free coin holders. My friends, keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video for more news and updates videos. My friends, this video is a good news. This video is a surprise news for all free coin holders, because now you can see here, my friends, if you look the price changes, I'm talking about the price changes of the free coin. So you can see that every chain is going positive except of the last 1 hour. Only the last 60-minute price chain is positive and negative, my friends. But I hope with the passage of time, the free coin last 1 hour, last 60-minute price chains will become positive, my friends. And this is temporary fast, my friends. Now the previous changes of the free coin is positive. Now the last 1 day, last 1 week price chain is positive. So that's good news for all free coin holders, that after a great fast the free coin start pumping, my friends. In this time the price of free coin is start increasing, so you are in the profit. Please my friends, please hold for long term. And let me show you the price chart of the free coin. Oh my goodness, you can see here that is the last 3-month price chart of the free coin, and you can see here from this price chart, that's clear for everybody, for everyone, that's clear that the free coin price falls down from the previous last 3 months. Completely, my friends, completely falls down over the free coin price from the last 3 months. And now in the end of June, it is time, I'm talking about today, and now today the price of free coin start jumping, my friends. The free coin price ready to explode. So my friends, maybe they continue this pump for long term, for 1 week, for 2 weeks. Maybe there's a possibilities to they continue for this jump for to the end of July, my friends. To the end of July they continue this pump. Absolutely, my friends, you are in the profit. In the July month, if you hold free coins, so you are in the profit. And I recommend for everyone, if you are a holder of free coins, so please hold for long term. Absolutely, if you hold for long term, so you will get profit. Anyways, how do you feel today about free coin? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about free coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.